Did you know the Mongols pulled off the most extreme cover-up in history when Genghis Khan died? When the Great Khan died in 1227, his generals faced a terrifying problem. If enemies discovered their leader was dead, the empire would crumble overnight. So they told everyone he was just sick and began a deadly journey home. For 2,000 miles, they carried his body back to Mongolia in complete secrecy. But here's the chilling part. They murdered every single person they encountered along the way. Shepherds, travelers, entire villages. No one could be left alive to spread the news. When they finally buried him, soldiers trampled the grave site with horses until it looked like untouched wilderness. Then they killed all the slaves who dug the tomb. Even the soldiers who attended the funeral were later executed. The secret worked perfectly. To this day, no one knows where Genghis Khan is buried. Some historians believe his tomb contains the greatest treasure hoard in human history. Somewhere in Mongolia lies a fortune beyond imagination, protected by the ultimate cover-up,